Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. This is Nicole, your mobile bloggist for toctown.com. Well, I wasn't able to make it to the planners conference, so I decided to just load up on groceries for the weekend and pretty much share tips, tools, and planner techniques for event planners. So this is part one of a four-part series, and let me share with you how I set up my planner. For the retreat center, what I like to do in my Erin Condren hourly is to map out, not necessarily on a day-to-day what I'm going to be doing, but an outline of what I'm going to be talking about, what I'm going to be registering on OneNote and also Evernote. So pretty much when I need a script to come back to, my notes are right here. And as I pour my next cup of tea, just wanted to share part two of what I do while on retreat. A lot of times when you're short, like me, a lot of ready to made wear is not, you know, always ready to wear. You have to, alter it or definitely have it redesigned to fit your body specifically. But one of the things I was so grateful for was the So Much Talent group on Facebook. So if you're a seamstress or a tailor, they have a lot of tips to give you. Well, there's a big discussion around whether or not you should prepare your fabric by washing it first before you sew, or just go ahead and sew the product. It's really not that big of a deal. Well, these gloves were purchased and it was kind of like a little bit too big. I'm telling you, like a quarter of an inch makes a difference. So I said, you know what? Let me wash them, dry them immediately, and see what happens. And what you'll have is, let me use both hands here. So as opposed to a quarter of an inch being too big and, I grab things and it's being like, not able to just feel firm and, in control of what I'm doing throughout the day, because I'll have these gloves on and be, conscious about the way they feel. I have a perfect fit now. It's very snug. So a lot of the times when I travel, I'm going to need my gloves on in the building as well as outdoors during the winter season. So make sure you stay hydrated, keep those gloves on, and if you're a classic kind of person like me, go for something that's unusual. Treat yourself.